How's it going, everyone? We are coming to you tonight from the Magic Kingdom because tonight is sort of a special event just for cast members. It's called the EARidescent Evenings, which basically is an appreciation for cast members at Walt Disney World, where the park basically closes just for the cast, and because I am cast, we get to go inside to check it out. There's also supposed to be free snacks and food and beverages, from what I've been told. I'm also here tonight with Daniela.
Hi.
And a couple of our other friends that we will be meeting inside at a later time. So enough said, let's head on inside. And Sven. But enough said, let's head on inside, get the party started, because this is going to be a fun night. Because I also am very excited for the limited waits that we will have to do. Because I've heard...
Can we talk about how Alex doesn't like Magic Kingdom?
No. I'm sorry, guys. This is my least favorite Disney park for reasons I can't describe.
And we make Alex have a good night at Magic Kingdom. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Well,
let me explain.
What?
One of my least favorite parts about Magic Kingdom is just how busy it always is. But tonight, because it is limited capacity, can't speak. It's basically gonna be a lot less busy than what we're accustomed to here at Magic Kingdom. But enough said, let's just get inside the park. Looking straight across Seven Seas Lagoon now from the ferry. Don't know how well you can see that, but right behind Space Mountain is Tron testing its lighting package. We're definitely gonna have to get a better look at that later. Now, what a way to start the evening watching Enchantment. Still don't like it when comparing it to Happily Ever After, but whatever.
You can't compare it to Happily Ever After. It's its own thing.
No.
I disagree.
But they did hand out these special badges when we came in, as well as special park maps for the event. So now, we're all ready to go. And here's a better look at that map that they handed out. The back as well. Fancy.
Very fancy.
All right, first stop of the night, Cosmic Rays, right next to the man himself. So we just came out of Cosmic Rays now from grabbing something to eat, and already something caught my eye, and it is that Tron is testing its lighting package over on the canopy. Look at that. Gorgeous. And it is supposed to change colors. It's been like that white color pretty much the entire time it's been turned on to match Space Mountain right next to it. But I believe it will turn like blue and pink and stuff when the ride does open, when it is testing to its full capability. And so the first ride of the day is, of course, Space Mountain.
They should turn the lights on for us.
They should. They really should. I don't like this ride! Get me off! Ah! 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 coming up is the Tron instruction part of the video. I'm trying to hit something.
Oh my god, that terrifying. And off we go! It's terrifying. Oh hell no.
Why, Disney? Why? This is where it ends. No! No! Ow! No! I don't like this. I asked for the back.
What goes up is sure to come out. Being lost is really fun. How do you do? If you howdy that a little bit of motion around. How do you do? Little region. I'm a chance to set a train around.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this rather kind of short video here from Magic Kingdom for the EARidescent Evenings. For cast members, this was a great event that they did because basically there was no wait, there were free snacks, and
It was my birthday.
and it was her birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Yes!
Does this sound
Can
so
I do
cheesy?
that? I would like
Fine,
please like,
yes.
comment, subscribe to ParkTwister. Thank you. Tell your friends.
Yeah. All right. Catch you in the next one, guys.